Uită-te la mine. Unde-i ciorba? Am mâncat toată ciorba?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see it.
It's me and the girls.
This moment that he knew, he fucked up.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it. And they're